was like a zoo. I saw a girl tackle another girl, literally tackle another girl, push her aside, grab the dress out of her hand, and keep running and grabbing things. Good morning. It is Saturday, and it is what time? 7:39. I'm kind of running late. I'm on my way to the H&M on 5th Avenue to get the new Giambattista Valli collection, his first men's collection. I'm kind of nervous about how much of a line there's gonna be, so I'm going 2 hours early to see and wait. Hopefully it's not very long. I can like maybe go get a coffee or something before, but I'll see. But I'll take you guys with me and show you what the pieces look like, take you in the store, and then I'm gonna do a little unboxing too when I get back. So if you want to see what I picked up, make sure to keep watching this video. And if it's your first time, hey, what's up? Welcome. I've honestly been shopping so much. Like, look at this. Barney's bag, haven't even opened it. These shoes, just got them, worn them like twice. You know what? What are you gonna do? I like clothes, okay? Oh, I love this color, but it's just weird, I think, with the shorts. People still waiting outside. Okay, awesome, thank you.
No, I was putting a seat.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back from one of the craziest experiences I've ever had. Also, before I start, let me just say that I know I'm in a different setup, so if you saw my old apartment tour video, the reason I finally did that is because I actually moved out of my apartment, and so now I'm staying at my boyfriend's place while I'm in between places, that I've commandeered a corner of his apartment, and I'm recording here. So anyway, back to what was one of the craziest experiences and releases I've ever been to. First off, I just want to say, like, I'm not really a drop person. Like, I don't really wait in lines, or like all like the Yeezys and stuff I have, like I got them either from like a raffle or like I just got them because they had them available. I just happened to like be lucky and get things. But like, I'm not like a hype beast, or like I don't really go and like get things and wait in line for hours. It's just not what I do. But in this case, I did, because I had nothing better to do on this Saturday. And I was like, you know what, I might as well. It's like a once in a lifetime experience. It's Giambattista Valli, his first menswear collection. And so I decided to go. So let me tell you that this experience was literally cray bonkers. Before I get to this unboxing, I just want to do a little story time. So when I first got there, it was really quiet. Well, it wasn't really quiet. There were already some people, like maybe like 20 people or so, waiting in line, and there were some people that had like blankets and stuff. I don't know how long they were there, because I had gotten there at 8. The store opened at 10. And so I was in line, and it was pretty quiet, so I was glad I got there like at 8 instead of later, because I was originally planning on getting there at 9. Really glad I didn't do that. So I'm in line waiting, and it's pretty quiet, and around like 9:15 is when swarms of people started to come. So not to totally put H&M on blast, but I'm going to put them on blast a little bit. So they were so unorganized. So because the line was starting to get so long, they started to snake it, so that it was like make it like an S shape. So like it looked like I was at the back of the line, but really I was like still in the very front. It was just snaking around. So that was like one security guard who told us to do that. But then everyone who came in after, they were told different things. So some people didn't know that it was snakes, they thought it was rows. So then when they started to give out wristbands for the people who, like the times for people to go in, because they only let 10 people in at a time during certain like time frames, like 10:05 to 10:15 was like the orange wristband group. And then like 10:15 to 10:25 was like the purple wristband group. So they started to give the people who were in the front of the, who looked like they were in the front of the line, but really they were farther behind, like people like me who were just in the back, but it was snaking. They gave them the wristbands for the earlier groups. And then the people who were sitting next to me started to get pissed, and then literally a fight broke out in the line. So let me just tell you, like, it's just clothing, and at the end of the day, it's H&M. We're not at the Giambattista Valli Atelier in Paris. Like, this is still H&M. We're on 5th Avenue at an H&M store, okay? Like, it's not that deep, it's just clothes. People were screaming, and then, like, the security guards had to be like, wait, what's going on, what's going on? And then they have to explain, like, oh, then people started to pull out their phones and be like, look, here's the timestamp when I took this photo. You see, we were in line before you. And I was like, I just put in my headphones, started to put my worship music on and pray, because also, there were only like 4 of each piece on the racks. And when I got to the store, I looked in the window and I saw that there were like 4 of like the Kendall Jenner like pink dress, which I'll include here. Like there were like maybe like 4 or 5 of like the suit, which I was trying to get. And I thought they just had that out for like aesthetic reasons, and then they just restock after every group. But then when they started to come out and gave us the wristbands, we asked, and no, that was all they had. So, H&M, thank you very much for doing this pre-launch, having one store in the United States that had it, and then literally only having like 4 or 5 of each piece. Yeah, that's not going to be a shit show. So then the first group goes in, and what happens? What happens? A total shit show. Like, literally, it was like a zoo. I saw a girl tackle another girl, literally tackle another girl, push her aside, grab the dress out of her hand, and keep running and grabbing things. So there is a rule that you can only get 1 of each item, in one of each style, 1 size of each style. And so people grabbed 1 of everything. And so I'm like, I was in the 3rd group because I was like the 21st person in line. I was in the very front of the 3rd group. So I'm like, as the groups are going in, I'm like looking and seeing like nothing, like just everything diminishing off the racks. And so I'm like freaking out. I'm like, did I really just wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning to come here and not get what I wanted? Finally, we get to go in, and by the grace of God, I was able to get everything that I planned on getting. So, without further ado, I'll start my unboxing. I know that was a little long, so I'll definitely include something that says, like, if you just want to see that unboxing, skip to this part. But I just have to give you that story, because it was honestly the craziest thing I've ever seen. Like, I've never seen people get that, like, intense about clothes before. I'm like, jeez, it's not that serious. Anyway, so let me start with, actually, let me save my favorite thing for the end. So let's start with this bag. So it came in this, like, this super nice Giambattista Valli H&M bag with these silk straps. I thought was a super nice touch. You have like the H&M logo on the side, and then the little heart for the Project Heart or Project Love. So the first thing that was on my list to get was, I didn't know if I was gonna get or not, was the suit. I didn't know if I wanted the full suit or just the pants. And then I decided I wanted to get the pants because in person the embroidering of it was like really nice. And I thought it would just be a great thing to have in the collection, considering it is his first menswear collection. And so here are the wool, oh, I love this. The wool lightweight trousers. They're a little wrinkled, sorry guys, they've been in the bag. But as you can see, there's like this embroidered polka dot detail, which is so nice. The fit is perfect on these. These were also the last pair of pants in the whole store, and they just happen to be my size, and they fit so well. I'm so glad I got them. What's also really nice about these is like they are really lightweight, and even though they're wool, they're not like my other like COS wool pants where they're super like thick. It's like a super lightweight material, which I really like, and I think I'll get a lot out of these. So that was the first thing I got. The second thing, which I was like, when I saw it, I was like, I need this. So I don't know if you guys know the Dior like oblique t-shirt. I'll include it here. So I've been wanting this forever, but I'm not about to spend $1,000 on a t-shirt or like the button up, which is even more. And so when I saw this and saw it was $99, I was like, I need this. So this is the oblique button up. Also, last one on the rack, my size. I got it in a size small. You can also see there's the Giambattista Valli logo, H&M, also here. There's like beautiful floral embroidering like throughout. It is very see-through, so you do see some nipples and some silhouette, especially on me since you know I'm chocolate. But it looks so, I think it's going to be great with either just like a dark blazer, like a lightweight jacket over the summer. There's like a lot of awesome ways you can style this. I saw it on Instagram actually with a guy who he got the t-shirt version of this, but he did it with like a pink sweater and he put the t-shirt over it, and I thought it looked super cool. I'll include it here. But I'm obsessed with this shirt. It is a little uncomfortable based on like when I've tried it on, but I feel like it's one of those things where like when you first put it on, it's like your skin has to get used to it, and then it starts to get more comfortable like throughout the day. Either way, it was only $100. It's a Giambattista Valli design, first menswear collection, and I had to have it. So, oh, I don't know if I mentioned too the wool trousers were also $99. I've saved the best thing for last, and so this is in addition to the shirt. When I saw these, I was like, I have to have them. I know they're going to be a little bit hard to style. Even though actually, I don't know if they're going to be that hard to style. I'll have to like try it out and see. But they're just really different for me. But I just saw them and I thought the design was so amazing, and I just had to get them. These were the most expensive thing from the menswear line, and I will take it out for you now. From the box, you can see that it's a pair of shoes, which you know I'm obsessed with shoes. It has the Giambattista Valli, you can see that, the Giambattista Valli logo there. It's a really nice box. Let me open it, guys. The desk bag it comes in is actually a tote bag, which I think is super cute. Also, it has like this little like light pink detail similar to the bag. Aren't these just amazing? These are the pearl loafers. I'll include some clips as well. But the detail on these is just so amazing. It's like different size pearls, which give it like such a cool dimension. It's a leather sneaker. I believe the pearls are glass. Leather bottom as well with the Giambattista Valli star, and then the Giambattista Valli heart H&M logo on the bottom. These were $300, which is a great price for leather loafers. I think that's like a really reasonable price for a leather loafer. Definitely, I think these will look great with the trousers, the wool trousers I got. That's how it was shown when it was like revealed at the Amphar event at Cannes, which I'll include here. I forget who wore it, but some famous person that I don't know. But I think you could also wear these with like a really cool like pair of, like not denim, but maybe like a dark denim. You can really dress them up, dress them down, which I really like. And I'm so excited that I scored these guys. Aren't they so pretty? Very different for me, but I think they're very like fashion. Like if I saw someone wearing these, I'd be like, oh, you're fashion. So I'm really excited to try these guys on. So guys, that's everything I got at the Giambattista Valli H&M launch here in New York City. I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog and unboxing and story time, which was crazy. Let me tell you, I'll probably never be doing that again. I did meet a woman who got like, we were in line together, and she got like every dress from the collection, and I was like, what time did you get here? Like, I didn't see you in line. She's like, oh, I had someone wait for me. I'm like, oh, did you task grab it? And she's like, yeah. So definitely will probably be doing that next time, but I was kind of strapped on cash. I didn't really want to spend an extra $100 to have someone task grab it and wait in line for me. And I thought the experience was fun, like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And I made some friends in line too, so that's always cool. So I hope you guys liked this video. Also, I forgot to mention, everything in total, everything was about $500 plus tax. The pants were $99, the shirt was $99, and then the shoes were $2.99. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and catch me here on my channel. I try to upload every Friday, but I haven't been really good on that, so I'm going to try and get back onto it. And I will see you guys on the next one.